Dear students of class 10, in the previous video we have started to solve the questions of exercise 7.1 of chapter 7, that is coordinate geometry. In this video we are going to extend the discussion on solving questions from question number 5. So let us start. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at points A, B, C and D as shown in the following figure. Champa and Chameli walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" But Chameli disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. Dear students, we can easily find the coordinates of A, B, C and D from the given figure. We have learnt about it in earlier classes. So the coordinates of A is 3 and 4, the coordinates of B is 6, 7 and the coordinate of C is 9 and 4 and the coordinates of D is 6 and 1. As we know the coordinates of each points, we can easily find the distance between these 4 points, that is A, B, C and D, by using distance formula we know very well. So the distance between A and B is 3 root 2 units, the distance between B and C is 3 root 2 units, the distance between C and D is also 3 root 2 units, and finally the distance between D and A, that is DA, is also 3 root 2 units. Now the length of the diagonal AC is 6 units. By using distance formula you can find, and also the length of BD is also 6 units, as you can see on your screen. Dear students, if we join A, B, C and D, we get a quadrilateral ABCD, and we can see that all the sides of the quadrilateral ABCD are equal in length, and even the length of diagonals are also same. So it is clear that ABCD is a square. So Champa was correct. Now let us move to question number 6. In question number 6 again we have the similar question, that is, name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. So let us solve the first question. Let us consider that -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2 and -3, 0 are the vertices of quadrilateral ABCD. So let us find the distance between these points by using distance formula. As you can see on the screen, the length of AB is 2 root 2 units, the length of BC is 2 root 2 units, the length of CD is also 2 root 2 units, and finally the length of AD also becomes 2 root 2 units. Now dear students, let us calculate the length of the diagonals. So the length of diagonal AC it becomes 4 units, and also the length of diagonal BD becomes 4 units, and we can see that the length of both diagonals are also equal. So we can conclude that ABCD is obviously a square, as the length of 4 sides are of same length and also the diagonals are of the same length. Now let us move to question number 7. In this question we have to find the point which is on the x-axis, and this point is equidistant from other 2 points whose coordinates are 2 and -5 and -2 and 9. So let us solve this problem number 7. Dear students, we know that as any point if lie on x-axis, then its ordinate will always be 0. So the coordinates of the point on the x-axis is x and 0. Let us consider that. As this point is equidistant from, as it is given in the question, if this point is equidistant from other 2 points whose coordinates are 2 and -5 and -2 and 9, we can find the distance between these points by using distance formula. As these distances will be the same, so we can equate these distances as you can see on the screen, and finally we get the value of x as -7. So we can say that the coordinates of the point which is on the x-axis is -7 and 0. Now dear student, Let us move to question number 8 of exercise 7.1. In this question, we have to find the value of y for which the distance between the points P, whose coordinates are 2 and -3, and point Q, whose coordinates is 10 and y is 10 units. So in this question, the distance between the 2 points is given. Dear student, in this question, the distance between the 2 points is given, that is 10 units, and we have to find the value of ordinate of one of the given points. So dear students, again we have to move and to use the distance formula. Dear students, focus yourself on the screen and you will find that by using distance formula, the expression gets converted into quadratic equation, that is y squared plus 6y minus 27 equal to 0. And on solving this equation by splitting of middle term, you know very well, we get two values of y, that is -9 and 3. So we can say that the value of y could be -9 or 3 as the question is asking for. Now dear students, it is expected that rest of the questions of this exercise can be easily solved by you. In the next video, we will solve the questions of exercise 7.2, which is based on the section formula. Till then, keep learning and thanks for your time.